I'm gonna shoot it 5 rounds, going kind of quickly, and just see how it groups on target. So I want to take a moment and speak about this pistol. This is the STI Edge. And when I got this firearm, I swear to God, the guy I got this from didn't know how to clean a firearm. Because everything I bought from him has not been cleaned, which has been a really good litmus test on whether he's telling me the truth about the round count or not. This thing was filthy. Put a few drops of oil on the rails and it ran like a top. The only thing I noticed, and if you go back to the other video on this pistol where I'm shooting it, is the ejection pattern is, I guess you would say, slightly less vigorous than it should be. But it fed, it loaded, it fired, it extracted, and it ejected perfectly. I fired about 250 rounds. I got this thing home and I said, hell, I'm going to go ahead and break it down, give it a really detailed cleaning. And what I uncovered was literally the dirtiest pistol I've ever seen in my life. How this thing was ejecting and extracting rounds is absolutely beyond me and some sort of alien magic. But it did. There was no hiccups, there was no malfunction, ejection and extraction were perfectly fine. The extractor, however, completely caked. You couldn't even see the extractor hook. But she is cleaned up and all ready to rock and roll. Okay, so this is a completely broken down 2011 pistol. Here's a question. I only broke this down for the first time. I took it shooting once, ran flawlessly, everything was great. How in the fuck was this extractor even working? Look how freaking gummed up that thing is. I mean, it is completely caked. There's no way it was grabbing anything at all. Jesus Christ. But it still ran flawlessly, which is a ridiculous thing to say. All right, we got the STI completely broken down, completely cleaned up, very detailed. I don't have the grip frame or anything, but it's just a slide and frame assembly. So when I reference in a video that a pistol is smooth, this is what I'm talking about. And this thing is. There are no springs there to distract you. I swear to God, that's about as smooth as 2 pieces of metal can move together. Smoothest pistol ever. This thing's fucking glass, dude. So, ladies and gentlemen, take care of your guns, and they'll take care of you.